This is discussion number 1, Exponents by Vivian Lavecchio. Neat. So my equation was x to the second power, y to the negative fourth power, times x to the third power, and y to the second power. Important vocabulary to remember for this equation is the negative exponent rule. A number with a negative exponent should be put to the denominator and vice versa. So the formula would look like this, is b to the negative n power, and you would turn that into 1 over b to the n power. So an example would be if you had x to the negative third power, you'll turn it into 1 over x to the third power. So let's start solving this. So that is just a basic way of how I typically solve a problem like this. I hope that everyone understood how I got this answer. It's kind of hard for me to explain some of the rules, but I hope I did okay and you got typically what the answer, how to get the answer should be. Thank you.